Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on REALME GT Neo 5. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. Then click open and click continue. Now you can choose your default browser, or you can just click cancel, and now you can add Firefox widget, or you can just click not now. Here you can sign in to your Firefox account, or you can click not now, and now you can turn notifications, or you can click not now again. Now you can click save and continue, and here you can pick your toggle placement. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.